Ayers and, oh hello horsey, creeks and the beautiful, what was it? That blue water, the crystal something or other, I don't know. That place. Doesn't say anything about Crocs. What? It's unreal. It's so blue. Wow. That is such a cool colour. That is sweet. Oh my word. I wonder what's so blue. It looks crocky to you, does it? Why?
Because crocodile water has black and blue.
Black and blue, crocodile water.
Yeah.
I didn't know that, darling.
True.
Looks so pretty though.
I'm true, Daddy.
It's true, is it?
Yeah, I'm true. Really?
That log. Yeah. Ooh.
Daddy! Daddy! Look behind
Wait, wait there. It's no good up here, eh? Here's the top of that creek bed where apparently the lady's seen a big 4-metre croc and a 2-metre croc in the last few days. I haven't seen him yet, but be looking there every day trying to find him. End of the line. That looks a bit gloomy. No idea where it goes, but I reckon in the wet season this would just be like covered, eh? Pretty cool. Amazing how dark it is under here. It's like a real ninja park, Xavier.
Now down. Oh.
Go up and I'll film you from the top. These kids have been obsessed with Australian Ninja Warrior for weeks now. Every time we go to a playground they're like, oh, it's a Ninja Warrior park. It's a funny way to get out. Come down the slide, safe. You're in the belly of the dugong.
Okay, Daddy?
Yep. Want me to spin you, Lala? Just do little swings for her. Hold on, darling. Hold on. Oh, little monkey. Up the hill. Little parachute dress. Jump in. That's it. Spin around. Sit down. Sit down. What does it do? Ready? Hold on. Whoa, Xavier, too much. Xavier, stop. Whoa, massive jump. Yeah, breathing. Can you do a tower? You just woke up, didn't you? Put them on here. Make a tower. Ready? Up. Put more on here. Whoa! Guys, Lala got 5.
Good job, Daddy.
You're winning.
In a way.
Ooh, it is pretty.
Show Daddy what I found. Show Daddy the rock I found.
Get that.
Oh, it's beautiful. It looks like a chicken egg.
I'm about to pick up.
Oh. How many you at, Elle? 1, 2, 3. Keep going.
For the car.
Yeah. Go and have a look at the lovely view. Keep going. What, you want to carry now? This is the Kennedy walking track at South Mission Beach. And a nice wooden boardwalk to begin with, and then some steps and just endless views. It goes for quite a way, like you can do a 30, 60 or a 120 minute walk, but we've only done maybe half an hour with the kids. Easily been one of the highlights, I reckon, this spot here. We had no luck getting into Mission Beach itself, but if you can park yourself sort of like where we are, we're at Tully, which is 20 minutes or so drive to Mission Beach, which is sort of perfect really. The kids can, well, Lala can have a sleep on the way in, so she's not tired and grumpy. But this beach is just stunning. There's 3 of them. No, oh, there's more than that. But the coastline is just amazing. Could easily spend a couple of weeks here, I reckon. It's only small, but a little water park for the kids, which is good, because it's about 27 here most days and super humid, so at least they can cool off under that. What is it? Satisfactory. It's gonna be weird. We're leaving Tully tomorrow. We have to leave. We've got a booking down in Yeppoon on the 14th. It sucks that we've got to leave a place that we have enjoyed so much, but it's the only way to do it in Queensland. Everything's just booked, man. It's sucky. But that's all right. We've got about 1,000 k's to cover over the next 5 days, so be a lot of driving, which we haven't done for a while. I think I filled up the car once this last fortnight. That's all right. It's only going to get colder too now. Not ready yet. How sick does that look? Sunrise behind me. Sugarcane Mills. Epic.